So for the warm up today, we are separating these by whether they are supplementary or congruent. What does congruent mean? Equal. So which one of these, when lines are parallel, are equal? Or VA, vertical angles. Vertical angles is always congruent, whether a line's parallel or not. So write that down. Instead of writing vertical angles, you can write VA. What else would be congruent if lines are parallel? AEA is also congruent if lines are parallel. What else? AIA. And CA. Kimberly's over here whispering to me. CA is also congruent. Congruent, CA. C, C. C, C. Okay. What about supplementary? What does supplementary mean? Equals 180. So, what equals 180 all the time? A linear pair, do you agree it makes a line? A linear pair makes a line. And a linear pair equals 180 because it makes a line. Write that down, please. And then the other two, same side interior is SSIA. Oh yeah, linear pair is LP. And then SSEA. The way I remember this is supplementary SS. Supplementary SS. They all begin with S. So that is what we learned on Tuesday. We had no class yesterday, right? How many of y'all took a test yesterday? It was hard, huh? Too much reading. Yes. Because you got a calculator. Did it all. Correct. Correct. Okay. There was no geometry, huh? Okay. Today we are going to take this one step further. So you can put your warm-ups away. Brian, you with me? You awake? Barely? All right. Tuesday, not yesterday, but Tuesday. Tell me again. If lines are parallel, then CA is congruent or supplementary? Congruent. What about AIA? Congruent. What about AEA? What about SSIA? S's. So if SSIA is what? Supplementary. What is SSEA? Supplementary. Okay? So, listen. Today we are going to do the converse. What does converse mean? Switch. So instead of if two lines are parallel, today I'm going to say, hey, CA is congruent, then two lines are parallel. Or if AIA is congruent, then two lines are parallel. Or if AEA is congruent. Today, I'm going to figure out, are these lines parallel? So, I want you to open your notebooks, page 16, and title it, Proving Lines Are Parallel. What does it mean, proving? To show. Show that these lines are parallel. Right there. Oh, it's the yellow. Why you got so much attitude today? Why you got so much attitude today, all of y'all? Sessa, you're talking with attitude. You got attitude? No. The way you're talking has attitude. All right. Okay, proving lines parallel. You ready? So for this one, if AIA are what? Oh, what does proving mean again? Show that lines are parallel. Show that lines are parallel. So if AIA are what? Congruent. Y'all, I'm talking, don't be rude. What does this symbol mean? Congruent. So that symbol means congruent or same. If AIA are congruent, then the lines are parallel. What about AEA? What about CA? So if they are the same, then the lines are parallel. What about SSIA? So if we write sup, what does that mean? Supplementary. What about SSEA? Supplementary. And what does supplementary mean? Questions? What? What? Supplementary. Ooh, put that silent. Ooh, attitude, attitude. I told y'all, y'all got attitude today. Okay. Okay. Number one. Number one, we have 80 and 80. What are these? Vocabulary word. Think about it. Think about it. It's been 2 days. They're the same, but what vocabulary? See. They are CA. Hold on. One is inside, one is outside. They're in the same corner. Okay, pause. Is CA congruent or supplementary? Are these congruent? Are they the same? 80, 80, are they the same? So yes, these are parallel. They are parallel. They never touch. So my reason, if CA, hey y'all, boys, while I'm talking, please do not talk. It's very rude. If CA are congruent, then A is parallel to B. If CA, write this down, If CA are congruent, then A is parallel to B. Boys, write that down. If corresponding angles are congruent, ooh, I meant to change your seats. We're going to do that at the end of class. Yes, because y'all are talking too much. No, won't bet. Not if we start calling. What? Not all the time. Today I'm not. Y'all are going to get 20 minutes. I usually give y'all 20 minutes to work. All right, number 2. What do I have here? What vocabulary word? SS, they're on the same side. Are they in between the lines or outside? So exterior angles. Are SSEA congruent or supplementary? SS. SS. Supplementary. They equal 180. Now, what is 120 plus 60? Is 120 plus 60 180? Yes. So these are supplementary. So are they parallel? Yes. Why? If same side exterior angles are sup, then A is parallel to B. If your SSEA equals 180, then they are parallel. You do number 3. Go. You do number 3. Go. You want to do what? Oh, yeah. This way? You're welcome. Huh? Parallel. Parallel. Oh, no. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Are you good, Glendy? Or not yet? Okay. No. All right. 3. Listen, please. Number 3. What's the vocabulary word? IA. They are in between my 2 lines. SSIA. And SSIA, is that congruent or supplementary? So they should equal 180. Well, what is 80 plus 80? Does that equal 180? 80 plus 80? So they do not equal 180. Are they parallel? No. Why? SSIA does not equal 180. Or you could write are not supplementary. Same thing. Same thing. Either one. SSIA is not supplementary. SSIA does not equal 180. Either one. Oh, that's not an M, by the way. This is just in between. Yeah, does that make sense? That wasn't an M. Okay. Listen, number 4 is different. For number 4, you need to use your pencil or pen to cover. Okay, AB. Look, please. AB. What are these? But what are they? They are inside. SSIA. SSIA is what? Wait. But what does it have to be? Supplementary. Do these equal 180? So A is parallel to B. Okay? So it says which lines are parallel? A is parallel to B. Now, cover up B. What are A and C? No. What vocabulary word? What vocabulary word? Are they on the same side or different sides? So it's A in between. They're in between. AIA. Does that make sense? Because they're in between the two lines, so they're I. AIA, is it congruent or supplementary? Are these congruent? Are these the same? Yes. So A is parallel to C. Listen, if A is parallel to C and A is parallel to B, what else? B is parallel to C. So if A is check marked with B and A is check marked with C, then these two are also check marked. All right, so my reason up here. A is parallel to B. Write that down, please. Write that down. Can I change it? Okay. You good? Good? Okay. Glenda, you good? Okay. Number 5. What am I going to cover up? There are too many lines. All right. What vocabulary do I have for 80 and 80? CA. They're on the same side, one inside, one outside. Is CA congruent or supplementary? Are these the same? Yes. So A is parallel to B. Stop. Now what? Cover up B. What do I have here? Same side, outside. Are SSEA congruent or supplementary? What? SS, supplementary. SS, focus. So, what is 80 plus 80? Does that equal 180? No. So, which lines are parallel? Just A and B. So, what's my reason? No, why? Why? If CA are congruent, then A is parallel to B. Are you a horse race? Sounds like a horse race. Dun, 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 dun. Why are you being so mean to her? Don't be mean to Glendy. Okay. Next one. Oh, don't be lying. I'm going to defend you, but I also know. All right. Number 6. Number 6. Look. What do I have? No. CA. I have CA. Is CA congruent or supplementary? Are these congruent? Are these the same? So A and B are not parallel. They are not the same. Now what? Cover up B. What do I have here? They're on same side or different sides? Are they both inside or both outside? CA, what should CA be? Congruent. Are they the same? Are they the same? No. So these are not parallel. Let's cover up A. Are these the same? So are any of them parallel? No, none. Those are a linear pair, but that doesn't tell me anything about parallel. But those are a linear pair. I mean, he's right, though. All right. Thank you. Hide it from her. No, you don't get on it now. You hide it from her. Brian, I see you. Put it away. Put it away in your backpack. When I'm done, I'm almost done. Okay. Number 7. Look. Number 7 will be a bonus. It is not going to be on your test. What is a bonus? Extra credit. So you will not have number 7 on your test. It's just a bonus. But you do the same thing. Cover up the bottom. What do I have here? Oh, be careful. Oh, yeah. They're on the same side. Are they in between the lines or outside? Exterior. SSEA. Is it congruent? Hey, hold on. Hold on. I'm talking, boys. I need y'all to not talk while I talk because other people are trying to learn. If you get it, great. There are other people in this class that don't get it. SSEA, is it congruent or supplementary? Supplementary. It equals 180. Is 120 plus 120 equal 180? What does it equal? 240. You can answer my questions. You can talk when you answer me. Just don't talk about other stuff. Okay. So these are not parallel. Now, if I cover up the top, is that enough information? No, so I don't need to do that. If I cover up this side, is that enough information? So what about this side? So now, what is this? SSEA. Do they equal 180? What is 120 plus 60? So A is parallel to B. Why? Yep. Write that down, please. Write that down, please. Brian, write it down. Come on. Just one more example and then I'm done talking. Finally. Oh, yeah, of course you have work. Of course. You got to practice. Are you going to play a game and not practice all week? No. You have to practice for a game. You got to practice for a test. What was that? What was that, Fernando? Number 8 is also a bonus. Yes. All right. What do we do first? Cover up the bottom. Ian, Koi. What do I have? They are on different sides. Exterior angles. And should those be congruent or supplementary? Are they congruent? Are they the same? Are these the same? Yeah. They're both 120. Yeah. So what lines are parallel? What letters? Yeah. C and D. C is parallel to D. Do I cover this one? Do I cover this one? This one? Okay, now what? Ooh. Ooh, everybody look up. Look up. Are they on the same side? Are they inside? Only one. This is nothing. We don't have a vocabulary word where they are on different sides, one inside, one outside. This is no vocabulary word. Okay? So listen. But if this is 80, can I figure out this one? Look up. How do I figure out that one if that's 80? What are these? No, they're a linear pair. They're LP. So if this is 80, they have to add 100. They have to be 180 because they're a line. Because they're a line. Because they equal 180. So if this is 100, what should that be? Are they the same? So wait, why is C parallel to D? No. Yeah. Yo tengo mi acento bien bonito. Pero es que a veces se me pegan los sureños. mean, miss? How you gonna miss? You said it. You want me to call your mom and tell her you said that? No. In class? No. I'm gonna tell her you said it to me. Stop it! Well, if you don't want me telling your mom, you don't say it in my class. Both of you, all of you. I'm gonna get a bar of soap. That's what my dad gave me. Here you go, yours. Okay. On the front, look, I'm giving you answers. On the front, you need to tell me what is the vocabulary word. So, what are these? A, E, A. AEA is congruent or supplementary? So, are these congruent? Are these the same? Yes. So, you're going to say yes, parallel. Oh, yes. You just put yes. Then your reason, if AEA are congruent, then P is parallel to Q. Number one, I gave you an answer. You have an answer to number one. It's a cube, a cube, a cube. It's cursive cube. You know what cursive is? How you say cursive in Spanish? Cursiva? Cursiva? I have to be careful with what I say because I could change one little letter and say a different word. All right, that's what I put on the front, on the back. Put it over. On the back, number 6, it says 1 and 9. Look at 1 and 9. Cover up the middle. Hold on. I'm almost done. 1 and 9. What vocab words are 1 and 9? Yes. If you can do your work. Are CA congruent or supplementary? Congruent. So are they congruent? Does it say congruent right here? Yes. So that's a check. Yes, they're parallel. What letters are parallel? A, C. That's all you do on the back. You have 20 minutes to get this done and turn it in. Go. Have a good day. 20 minutes.